sir.
I don't need your good afternoon. I just want to warn you now. Stay away from my daughter. Did you hear what I'm saying? Stay away from my daughter. I don't want you to be connected to my family in any way.
Okay, sir.
Break every connection you have with my family. Stay away from my daughter. Did you hear me?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes? What is it?
This polo you are wearing is my own.
This polo? This polo that's my daughter?
Oh, but I have disconnected from your family. Nothing is connecting me and your daughter again. Now you want disconnection? He pay you. I don't see you.
Hello? Where are you now? And you know that the weather is not good already. Okay, please don't forget the stuff that I told you. Really? Okay now, no problem. I can't wait to see you. The black gate, yes, in front of the black gate you told me now. Jesus. Okay, I can't wait to see you. Alright. Bye.
What is that Charlie boy? So I'm Mumu don't too much. Charlie boy, now I'm Mumu not too much. To be Mumu, you think say they wise? It is very shameful for you to accept that.
Amarachi, say yes to me. Let's build this relationship together.
I want to say yes. I want to accept you.
Then tell me the yes now.
But on one condition.
What's the condition?
You no go now.
Come on, your hand for my clothes. What's the no go now? Why we no go now?
I don't want me with not till we marry.
You dey create so we gonna do. We dey go feed, go play ball. Since you be transgender, we dey sit down, they look ourselves. What's the essence of dating you won't know the knack?
Me we just dey play love.
Say which kind of love? Which kind of love would they go play when no involve knack? You know what? Man, not close my eye open, see you for here. I feel mash your waist break. Come on for here. I go mash you. They move. Come on for here. You were near ground.
Chef. It's like something stain your clothes. It's like you sit down on water.
Were you looking at my butt?
Your butt? Do you have butt? It's the same butt. No, it's not. You don't have butt. It's only water and clothes. It's leg. No, what you have is leg. Back. But I have to hear his leg. You don't have butt.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Come back. Why are you rushing? How are you?
I'm fine, uncle.
Oh, you're rushing.
I
What's
just want
wrong?
to go to
I
the
know.
bathroom.
Come back. What's wrong with your back?
My back.
Yes.
It's spoiled. This thing.
It's what?
Spoiled.
Oh, it has spoiled.
Yes, it has spoiled. So the
I see.
just fold it like this.
Oh. When did I buy this bag for you?
Yesterday.
Oh, yesterday.
Yes, you bought it for me yesterday.
Oh, this is the bag I bought for you yesterday.
I don't
Wow.
know. It's the people that do it. I don't know.
Oh, it's from the manufacturers.
Yes.
Oh, when are you writing your exams?
My exam.
Yes.
My exam is tomorrow.
Have you read?
Yes, I read now.
You're prepared.
Yes, I prepare.
Okay, come back. Don't run. Come back. Come and read.
I should read.
Yes, come on.
What?
I want you to read this.
Okay, let me drop my.
Don't drop it. Come. You can't run.
I'm not running now.
I know you are not running.
I want to drop my bag.
Don't need to drop it. You hold it like that. No issue at all. Hold it. Now take this.
Yeah?
I wrote something that I want you to read it out. Take it.
I should read this paper.
Yes, there's a sentence there. I want you to read it out. You are prepared for your exam. Anyhow, you want to flip it. Flip it.
Yes, I'm prepared for my exam.
I know. Read.
I should read it. Yes. To be a champion,
Perfect. You're doing well. Continue.
you must first work on your character.
What?
Your character.
It's character. Character. Yeah.
No, the champion. The pronounce is a cha. Then the character. This one should be character. Okay. There is no care there.
Continue, my friend. Oh, you've not started. You're sweating already.
No, I'm not sweating.
Continue.
I'm not sweating.
I know.
And your Desiree to.
What is Desiree?
Desiree.
Where did you see Desiree? Desire.
Desire.
Yes.
But uncle, there is no Z and there is
listen.
no AY.
Continue. It's desire. Continue.
Your desire to prosper is in your tongue.
Why are you looking at me?
Tongue.
You say this tongue. Will you get out from this place, my friend?
So, madam, did anybody see you when you were entering?
No.
Okay. Did anybody see you when you were leaving?
No.
Okay. So you were not there?
I was there, but nobody saw me.
Madam, if I ask you in court, your answer is you were not there.
The law.
No evidence.
But are you teaching me to lie? I cannot lie.
Okay. First time offender. Madam, you know your offense is federal offense. You know what federal offense means?
I know.
Let me explain to you. Madam, when you do prison for federal offense, you will do that prison to the extent that when you are done, you will do photo shoot. Madam, you will do that prison to the extent that Asha will see you and call you prisoner to Mr. Jailer. Madam, you will do that prison. You will stay so long, you will become a fairy tale to young children.
The law.
Let me ask you one more time, madam. Were you there or you were not there?
I was not there.
That's okay. So your testimony now is